Hello everyone, welcome to you all. It's me Gyanu Dahal. Today I'm going to discuss on mentoring theory and some practical issues. Why I'm interested in mentoring? Because it is very useful for teachers, students as well as institutions. This assignment aims to support novice mentors and those who are interested in mentoring theory and practice. What is mentoring? Mentoring is a process through which a more skilled teacher offers support to another less skilled teacher. In mentoring, an experienced teacher engages a less experienced teacher in activities and conversation to support their professional development. It is an important and effective form of support to help novice teachers grow in their careers. There are different roles of mentor. Mentors' roles are model, sponsor, acculturator, educator, support. However, in the Nepalese context, less experienced teachers, mentees, they expect solutions to every problems related to teaching from mentors. They expect mentors to give teaching tips. They wish to get prompt answers from mentors. Mentors are experienced teachers but not well trained. Then I got in dilemma. I have been working in mentoring for many years, but did I follow the theory? Then these questions came in my mind. What does the theory say? What did I used to do? Then I would like to find out exactly what I used to do. Then I went through the recorded videos which I mentored in past. Then I transcribed. Then I checked and rechecked the transcription of the recorded video of past. I found I used to give suggestions. Our conversation was used to dominate by me. I used to talk more. There were no balance between our conversation. It was more directive. Why did I do so? Because of belief system, lack of time and resources, poor mastery on mentoring, less opportunity to practice, own professional development, cultural differences. During the TED module, I learned mentoring should be non-hierarchical, non-evaluative and non-judgmental, development and growth-oriented, empowering and non-directive, supportive, emotional, technical and reflective. Then again, I plan to practice it with my mentees. Then I started conversation with my mentee. I recorded the conversation. I transcribed. I checked and rechecked the transcription. Then I found I keep balance in the conversation. I create a positive and compatible environment. I let the mentees share their situations. I find myself a good listener. What I realized, mentors should be trained. All the experienced teachers cannot be mentor. They should be given enough opportunity to practice. They should be made resourceful. These are the differences. Thank you.